Have you guys noticed 50, it says 68% is done, but 68% should be like somewhere here instead of 70. 70 should definitely be up close here. Oh, this is like, hey, this is a nice feature. I like it. Manish, my timings are US. Wonderful. So is this is a problem, or this maybe it's installing step by step? So the first component got installed 93%, and then it's next goes from here to here. Just work. Don't give me issues. So I'm going to install Windows in other drives for like gaming, just for gaming. I'll keep this 2 TB for Linux, all the other drives for games. I was worried that it's not installing, but looks like it has crossed. My mouse was right here. It just went from this place to this place. So that means it's working. No need to panic. False alarm. Let's wait for a few more minutes to see if it's actually installing or not. Okay, my fellow citizens, Fedora is now successfully installed and ready to use. It's right behind my face cam. But you guys cannot see. Maybe I can drag this window. No. So finish installation. Let's see what happens. I kind of forgot the passwords already, but hopefully they stay fine. Is it install, or I can just restart? Leave, shut down. I'm shutting down my PC and I'll reinstall. Sorry, I'll just restart. Removing my pen drive so that I don't successfully PC down. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, go. The entire Windows, the operating system should have been gone, because obvious there is no more Windows anymore. Curious. Hopefully it works. Hopefully it takes me to Fedora. I'm so sorry guys, you guys can't see that. Yeah, you guys can see it as well. We are booting in. I don't need this pen drive now, so I'll keep it aside. Why does it say initial setup again? Oh, that's done. I am seeing a password. Logged in. The moment I see that black terminal thing, I get so scared. Yep. Okay. Beautiful looking operating system, by the way. I like how it looks. So let's configure the display settings so that you guys can also see what I'm seeing. Hey Rituparna, welcome to the stream. I cannot find my cursor. I can see my cursor in the other screens. I mean, in your screen it's there, but I cannot bring it to my. The moment it's inside, it's gone. Oh, you see? Terrible. The configuration. Let me close it. Let's do another restart. Maybe that fixes. I tested while booting from a pen drive. I didn't really face that issue. My mouse was really smooth. I don't know what happened. What are all these? What are you doing today? The thing is, my Windows just gave up on me. I was having a lot of issues, so I had to reinstall Windows again, copy my files, and then just basically give up Windows, install Fedora. After a lot of discussions with the chat, Harshit convinced me to try Fedora KDE. So the first issue I faced was while using it directly from a pen drive, everything worked fine. I can see my mouse and stuff like those. But the moment you can see the issue. Okay, now I see my mouse, but in the streaming PC there is no mouse. It's something else. I don't know what's happening. So this is the first issue. Oh, it's gone again. So it came again. I don't know what's happening. I will give it some time. Is it gone? No, it's back. It worked fine until now. Where is my Windows now? Where is my titles, stuff like those? The configurations. I want this to be. How can I make a clone of these? Gap between displays are not supported. Okay, did I change my resolution for some reason? Way too tiny. Oh no. First experience not too great. We have to give credit to Windows. Out of the box, some things just would work fine. There would be issues in the other places, but not like these. I don't know where I'm clicking. Okay. Oh, maybe I need to scale it to 100%. Keep. Then this is also scale it to 100%. Apply. Just work, dude. I still don't see the mouse. And then break. Yep. Oh, it's gone. Oh, it's coming back. What's the issue here? Maybe it's like overlapping on each other. I think that's the main cause. So in my streaming PC, I see that stupid glitch again, and I see the same here. Not really a smooth experience. So see that with back changes. Any brilliant ideas, people? How can I make a clone of these? Maybe search in the internet. Can you guys help me with, so that I can copy the displays instead of doing it? Maybe I need to do a system update, something like these. That's my cursor. Again, I didn't really do anything. Why is your cursor such a big That's the problem. When I tried it from my pen drive, like directly booting from my drive, I couldn't find any issues. It was working absolutely fine. I mean, I could have understand if there are issues while booting from a pen drive, but I'm booting from. I'm done with my pen drive. I have removed it. Flash drive, the bootable drive, whatever you call it. Maybe an update is needed. It's good for use RNDR. Maybe I will just disable the monitors for some time. Maybe that would help. But I still need 2 monitors. Is it downloading? I couldn't really see it from streaming PC. Yeah, looks like it's downloading, so let's wait. Last time I tried Ubuntu based like Pop OS, Ubuntu, Linux Mint, none would have this stupid cursor issue. Oh, it's gone again. Now it's coming back. So it looks like, if anyone thinks I have broken something, I just made a fresh install. Nothing I could have done here. But hopefully maybe this update would fix things. And Harshit just left after I installed Fedora. He just left. I wanted him to say this. Hey, this is what your suggestions have done it to. I'll see how it works out. If it didn't work, I will switch to Kubuntu. That didn't work out, then back to Windows. Okay, I'm installing this update. Let's see. Successfully restalled. Installing updates much better than what we see in the other counterparts. I hope this installation fixes things. 3 more percent, boys. Did it get stuck for some reason? I am afraid that it's stuck. It's not moving forward. It's been like that at 97 for a long. Maybe it's finishing up things, so I'll give it a few more. Oh yeah. Oof. I was really afraid. Okay, that's done. The update is done. Let's see how it's booting up. I see the boot sound. Okay, hopefully this will. I'm logging in after the update. The moment I see that green thing, Plasma has been updated. Download the embedded preview announcement. What is that? I have no clue what is this, so let me show it to you guys. I have no clue what is this. I'm going to ignore it for now. Okay, don't do anything. I don't see the cursor issue. I guess that has been fixed, probably the bad version maybe. So let's do the display thing one more time. I'm bringing in the display configurations to the other screen so that you guys can. So what I want is I want this to be a replica of this one. Anyone knows do that? Which option should press? A replica of. Yeah, I see the option. Wonderful. Okay, apply. Yep, yep. Okay. I might need to move it. Looks good so far. Looking good. There is no mouse or issue. It's really smooth. I'm seeing like high refresh rate. My main monitor. Wonderful so far. I think I'm happy with the results. We'll see nightlight. We'll see what I can optimize, like what I can customize. Yeah, hopefully this journey would be smooth for me. Thanks for the suggestion.